It is possible indeed to go without an HDMI cable because everything can go over a single USB-C, both replacing HDMI cable, and you don't need a power adapter because you have power delivery and you have also DisplayPort over USB-C, as it is called. And even touch, you don't need a separate touch cable if you have a touchscreen. So everything can go over one USB-C cable. A very good installation, of course, a very clean, very neat and easy. But the big remark is that your screen needs to deliver the necessary power. Think about the CX50, for example, needs 90 watt, which is quite high. Not a lot of screens will deliver 90 watt, but a lot more will deliver 65 watt, which is needed for the other devices, including the ClickShare bar.